Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mike's Positively Technical World. Yeah, no review in that. Well, you're going to sit there and go, why am I doing a video then? Well, it's actually not for me, this one. This one's for you. Yes, you, right there. So, if you are a resident of the United Kingdom, because unfortunately that's where I come from with this wonderful British accent, then I've got a competition giveaway for you. Yep. So if you're in the UK, listen in. If you're not from the UK, I just want to turn around and say personally a massive heartfelt thank you for supporting the channel and subscribing. You might have realised, you might not, we've actually hit 1,000 subscribers, which I never ever thought that I'd ever get anywhere near 1,000. I was over the moon when I hit 100, for the love of God. Yeah, I really am honestly shocked, and I just want to really say thank you guys. And my way of saying thank you is by doing a huge giveaway. So without further ado, I'm going to flip the camera around and you're going to find out what you can win. Okay, let's start off. So, for starters, you can win yourself the new WA1108. What is the new WA1108? Well, you can check out a video which I've literally just released about what the WA1108 actually is, or you can just look along now. He says, trying to do this one-handed is really, really difficult, by the way. Don't recommend it. So there's a little tool roll, and in this tool roll, we have, obviously, a load of bits. And in these bits, we have some wood bits, some HSS dropper bits, and lots of bits, basically. Some 50mm long stuff here, and some nut holders as well. Really, really nice. And you get a brand new one of those. This is actually my actual one. You get a brand new one in box. What else do you get? You will also get yourself, thank you very, very much to Gorilla Glue UK. You'll get yourself some Gorilla Glue goodies. They're always really, really handy for doing little jobs around the house. Thank you very much, Brian Yates, specifically for that. You also get some of this really, really tough stuff, and some wood glue, and some grab adhesive, some super glue gel, standard super glue, and some black Gorilla Tape. This is lovely stuff. It's probably the best stuff ever. I buy it by the wide stuff in 50-meter rolls. It's absolutely fantastic. You will also get yourself a brand new inbox. You won't get this specific one because this is mine and I love it to pieces. Way too much to turn around and give you guys one of them, but you'll get your own one, okay? Yeah, a WX355, complete with battery and charger. That's a 2-amp battery. You'll get this beautiful 55Nm 3-way drill driving hammer action drill. Could be yours. It comes complete with lots, he says, stalling, trying to find out and work my way around. 20 different torque settings, and 2-speed as well. That, right there, not this one, obviously, could be yours. But that's not it. Oh no. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to turn around and give you something which I absolutely love and adore, and has recently come back on the market because I don't think the world was quite ready for it when it came back on previously. I haven't reviewed it yet, but I am going to, and I will tell you, this is my most used, possibly abused as well, Worx toy that I own. Sorry, did I say Worx toy? Sorry, I meant Worx tool, especially if my wife's listening. I said Worx tool, okay? This, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than, he says, again, stalling whilst going over to it, the Worx WG050. Oh yeah. Well, I love this thing to pieces. Absolutely to pieces. You can see it's a little bit rusty. Obviously, you won't get this. You get a brand new one, okay? So please don't panic. But this is actually an 8-in-1 multi-use sack barrow, wheelbarrow, multi-carrier. It carries gas bottles. It turns into a bin carrier for your garden. These handles can pop off, and then you can literally, honestly, it's so compact. It's really lightweight, and the amazing thing is it's got 2 wheels as well on this wheelbarrow slash like sack barrow carrier. Obviously, this slides across at the bottom here. I'll try and do it, but it's really, really difficult, and I'm probably going to mess it up. So if I pause it and then bring you back, you want to see it's now turned into a sack barrow, and that is pretty awesome. You can also turn it into a wheelbarrow as well, and it just, honestly, it is the most universal. I've used and abused. I've used this to carry paving slabs. I've used this to carry the 7-ton of sand that's underneath the floor that I produce. I basically present to you guys on. Yeah, the 7-tonner sand on here was all taken in by my Worx aerocart. I actually had to import one of these from America. It was that, like, wow, a product that I really, really wanted, and I couldn't get hold of one in the UK, so I actually ended up importing one from the States, and I wasn't disappointed. I also then imported the cart carrier as well, that turns it into a flatbed carry cart. That's pretty amazing. Unfortunately, they don't currently do that, but you might be able to get hold of it on Amazon if you really, really want one. Highly recommend you do. This features, like I said, it's got some really, really weird sort of thing where it's in wheelbarrow mode, which I will swap it into now. There you have it, it's in wheelbarrow mode, and because of its unique position with the wheels and the distribution, etc. of it, you find that actually you get, I think it's on like an 8-to-1 lifting ratio, so therefore, if you've got 100 kilos in there, it'll actually only feel like you've got about 8 kilos lifting it. It's, well, sorry, 12 kilos lifting it. It's really, really amazing. Love it to pieces. Honestly, it's possibly one of the best products that Worx make. It's got puncture-proof, solid tyres. And like I said, you've got so much you can do with this. You can even get an attachment, no word of a lie, that straps onto the front that acts as a snowplow. Yes, of course I do have that. Yes, of course I will turn around and show you. But no, I won't have any snow because where I live it never, ever snows. Except that one time at band camp. Yeah, then it snows and then I really, really need the snowplow on it. But no, as a general rule of thumb, it doesn't snow around here. But it's really good to know that I do have a snowplow. If it ever does snow, I'm not going to be stuck. That hole there, that's for the tow bar attachment. Yes, it has a little tow bar ball which sticks out. It's also got like you can strap it basically up and then you can have like fire logs and put on it. It's really good for carrying absolutely anything and everything. This could be yours. This is valued at £150. The Worx WX 355 is valued at about, I think it's £100. The small screw set, that's valued about another £20, and all the Gorilla Glue goodies about another £25. So that altogether equals a lot. That's a lot. I know I didn't do the maths as I went along. So yeah, I really do apologise. That is a lot. All this could be yours. All you have to simply do is answer this question, which is, how many videos have I released? Answer that question in the comments below here. And yeah, all this could be yours. Terms and conditions are available in the description. And please note, this is only available to UK mainland viewers. That's due to the fact being I've got to send out that, and one of those to somebody lucky individual out there. And that all has to go. I really am so stoked. Thank you ever so much for obviously all your support. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, just honestly, thank you so much. This really means so much to me. Your viewership, your questions, the answers that I give you guys, and just being able to support what is, to be honest, an amazing product range. Like I said, I've seen them go from strength to strength. I mean, seriously, I just love the brand to pieces. Yeah, I tell you what, go on then. I'll say this now. 10,000 subscribers, and I will get a Worx tattoo. I didn't laugh, I didn't smile, there's no joke in that. 10,000 subs, I'll get myself a Worx tattoo. There you go. That's a little challenge for you, because I know the internet loves to turn around and make people do stuff. Yeah, that'll never happen, but hey, man can dream, right? Anyway, guys, thank you ever so much from the heart. Serious, thank you very much. Obviously, I do have a worldwide viewership, and I know that some of you guys are going to be excluded from entering this due to that being you're in America, Russia, France, Italy, and Germany, amongst other countries that tune in and watch my videos. So, yeah, guys, thank you ever so much, and girls as well. There's quite a small minority according to YouTube. My viewership is women as well, so I do also say girls as well. And yeah, thank you ever so much to everyone basically who signed up, obviously subscribed, and viewership. Obviously, I will keep this going as long as you keep viewing, really. So, yeah, thank you, guys. It's all a community effort, really. Thank you. And, yeah, I shall see you in the next video, which will probably be on the Worx aerocart, let's be honest, because I love it. Really do. Well, that's all for me, and I shall see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Bye for now.